Welcome back to a new video. Today we will talk about a product that requires tons of corn for its production. This is because millions of people all over the world use this food to start their day and have breakfast. But I asked myself, how can millions of packages be produced every day, turning corn into a delicious and crunchy food rich in nutrients that typically starts us off on a good morning? My first question is how they're created. It all happened by chance due to a simple mistake by two brothers, who in 1880, in an attempt to make bread, boiled the wheat for too long, resulting in flakes forming, and intrigued, they tried frying them, giving birth to cornflakes, which have become famous worldwide. But before we see how they are produced, subscribe to the channel to help us grow and bring new content. Now let's begin. Like most foods, it all started far away from the production factories. In this case, in cornfields scattered all over the world to meet the demand of us consumers. The planting of corn begins with preparing the soil, which is plowed and leveled. Corn seeds are then planted, and after planting, corn plants require constant care, such as regular irrigation and the application of fertilizers. During the growth period, it's essential to control and manage weeds to avoid resource competition. Corn is harvested when the ears are mature, typically between 70 and 90 days after planting. The ears are cut and the cobs are collected for immediate use or further processing. Of course, we're talking about intensive production where the use of modern agricultural machinery is mandatory. This ensures a fast process while maintaining the high quality of this raw material. Once harvested, it is transferred to processing plants. Corn preparation. The preparation of corn involves some essential steps. First of all, the corn is cleaned and washed to remove any impurities. Subsequently, it is soaked in water for several hours to make it soft and facilitate processing. This process allows obtaining more digestible corn ready to be used in various culinary preparations. Grinding. In the grinding process, corn is crushed to remove the pericarp and separate the germ and bran from the outer layer. This phase is crucial in the industrial production of cornflakes, as it allows obtaining cornflakes ready for further processing. The grinding is based on the application of mechanical force to break the structure of the corn, creating smaller and easier to handle flakes. This crushing process is essential to achieve the desired consistency and shape of the final cornflakes. Cornflakes. Cornflakes are obtained by treating a mass of corn with heat and moisture in a process called wet cooking. During this phase, the corn softens and forms flakes. Subsequently, the flakes are dried to reduce moisture content. This is an important step to ensure the preservation and crunchiness of the cornflakes. Drying removes any residential moisture, making the flakes ready for the subsequent breaking and production process of cornflakes. Breaking process. In this step, the dried cornflakes are broken into smaller pieces, similar to flakes. This processing phase is crucial to give the cornflakes the desired texture. The cornflakes are fed into a breaking device that mechanically crushes them, creating flakes of uniform size. The flakes will have a flattened shape and a crunchy texture. Breaking is a crucial step to ensure the quality and appearance of the final product, ready for the subsequent processes of cooking and toasting. Pre-cooking. Cornflakes undergo a brief pre-cooking process to increase their crispiness and facilitate further processing. During this process, the flakes are treated with heat to make them more fragile and slightly cooked. This allows them to maintain their shape and texture during the subsequent production stages. Pre-cooking ensures that the flakes are ready to be manipulated and toasted without losing their structural integrity. This step is essential to achieve delicious and crispy cornflakes. Toasting. The dry cornflakes are placed in an oven to develop the characteristic flavor and color. This step requires careful control to avoid over-browning or burning the cornflakes. During toasting, heat penetrates the flakes, creating a chemical reaction that gives them the typical toasted flavor. The duration and temperature of toasting are adjusted to achieve the right balance between crunchiness and golden color. This final process is crucial to create delicious and appetizing cornflakes. Cooling. After toasting, the cornflakes are cooled to stop the toasting process and reach an appropriate temperature for further processing. Cooling is achieved by exposing the cornflakes to cold air or using specific cooling systems. This step is essential to ensure that the cornflakes retain their crispiness and prevent them from becoming too hot. Cooling also prepares the cornflakes for the subsequent steps of adding sugar and final packaging. Adding ingredients. After the cooling process, various ingredients can be added to the cornflakes to enhance their flavor and nutritional value. Common ingredients include sugar, salt, vitamins, minerals, natural or artificial flavors, food colorings, and fruit extracts. Adding sugar provides a sweet taste to the cornflakes, while the other ingredients contribute to improving the variety of flavors and providing nutritional benefits. It is essential to accurately measure the ingredients to achieve a balance between taste and health. Once the ingredients are added, the cornflakes are packaged to maintain their freshness and quality until consumption. Packaging. Cornflakes are packaged in sealed boxes or bags for distribution and sale. Packaging ensures that cornflakes remain fresh, protecting them from external agents such as moisture and oxygen. Sealed boxes or bags preserve the integrity of the cornflakes, maintaining their crunchy texture. Additionally, packaging provides product information, such as ingredients, nutritional values, and expiration dates, making it easy for consumers to choose and purchase. Some of the main global producers are Kellogg's. Kellogg's is one of the leading cereal manufacturers worldwide and produces a wide range of cornflakes, including the famous Kellogg's cornflakes. General Mills. General Mills is another major company in the food industry that produces cornflakes and breakfast cereals, including its famous Chex and Cheerios cereals. Post Holdings. Post Holdings specializes in producing breakfast cereals, including a variety of cornflakes, such as Post Grape Nuts Flakes and Honey Bunches of Oats. Nestle. Nestle is a multinational giant in the food industry that produces a wide range of products, including cornflakes and breakfast cereals. One of their most well-known brands is Nestle Fitness. Quaker Oats Company. Quaker Oats Company is a subsidiary of PepsiCo and is known for its breakfast cereals, including Quaker Oats cornflakes. These manufacturers have a global presence and offer a wide variety of cornflakes to consumers around the world. That's it for today. Leave your favorite flakes in the comments, and after giving a like, you'll be ready for the next industrial food.